Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can set and start the washing or the drying cycle wirelessly on your HAIER washer dryer Hyper 5. So, in the first step we have to open the HAIER appliance on our home application. Now, as you can see, we can set the delay start or start now. Click on the go to programs. And now you can set your programs for the wash or the drying. Now, as you can see, we have the cycle details. You can now click on the start now. You can also add the keep fresh phase. And now you can start it now. And basically, that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.